also we have amazing people here on YouTube. Please, whatever channel where you are watching us from, do well to double tap on your screen. The people on YouTube, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Now, yesterday night, during our class, during our live stream on TikTok and also on YouTube, I made emphasis on how we are going to be continuing the buy of gold this week. Now, the major reason is not even about the technical part of the chart. No, not be the charts, not be even they give us that buy idea. What did they give us the buy idea this period? Now, the fact that the war that is currently going on in Iraq and Israel and the United States currently, there's a lot happening fundamentally across the globe right now that you need to know as a day trader, because the moment you understand what is happening and how it affects whatever pair that you are trading, the better for you. And like I said, I want us to work hand in hand, make we do one step at a time, make we no rush everything, you understand? Because I said something also, I said, if you know what you are doing, even if you've been in, maybe you've been on drawdown for months now, with your $100, you can actually recover from your $10,000, $20,000 losses that you have been to. This season, you understand? This season like this, $100 will do you good if you know what you are doing in this market. So first of all, for the sake of the beginners that are watching us from TikTok or from YouTube, I want us to do another quick top-down analysis. Then we execute the trade. Guys, if you are joining us, let's double tap on our screen. We have amazing people on TikTok right now. Let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live stream. Let's work together. Let's just work together. Let's double tap and also share. Let's double tap and also share. So on YouTube, I'll be sharing the YouTube live now. Guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen. Now, this is gold on the 30 minutes time frame. You know, during the night, the market actually gave a gap. The market give one gap where the market open. It give gap, it jump go up. But you see that jump where the market jump go up, you know, go fit just you wake up around 9 o'clock this morning, you come meet say market don't jump, then you just continue the buy like that. No, you guys wait for the pullback. So this is the pullback. The market has pulled back to a structure that was broken on 30 minutes time frame. What you are seeing on my screen right now is a 30 minutes time frame chart. So since we have a pullback on this particular time frame, it is ideal for me to execute the buy trade from here. Now, why am I buying without looking back? Why am I buying without total pure technical analysis? Let me tell you guys something here. You see this market here, this period, the best thing that you can do for yourself as a day trader is to buy gold. The only mistake that you will make is when you don't have enough capital to buy gold, you can't go buy them, then the market first decide to do short time sell and it blow your account before going your way. That will be the only major problem. But outside that, the only thing that you are supposed to be doing right now as a price action trader is to buy xauusd. Let's guys, let's double tap on our screen. If you are joining us from TikTok, you are welcome. From YouTube, you are welcome. Let's double tap on our screen, guys. Let's double tap on our screen. Guys, if you are joining us from YouTube, you are welcome. Please do well to subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell beside the subscription button so you can always get notified whenever we go live here on YouTube. Now, if you are currently inside this trade and you are watching us from anywhere now on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, drop a comment below. Let me see the people that are currently on this particular trade. I'm talking about the xauusd. Now, this was the analysis that we dropped. I dropped this particular trade yesterday night before I went to bed. After we is to buy xauusd right from this particular zone. I dropped the analysis and I went live again, showing only my screen. Though I wasn't talking, and that live too was there for about an hour plus after our initial live stream. You understand? I come live, I do this particular analysis, and I left the screen like this. If you saw the live stream, I believe you understand what I'm talking about. And now you can see that the market is actually respecting the analysis. And this morning, the market has done another pullback, of which we are now anticipating another entry from there. Then the continuation of the bullish move for the market to come and break above here. Now on BTC USD, it get what it really mean. It gets all these things where they happen now. They get what they really mean. Except you are not a trader. We have 90 people on YouTube, and somebody from YouTube said, what lot size are you using? Depending on the account size that I am trading and depending on what I am doing. Now, if you join us on, was it on Saturday, when I said let's go and scalp BTC USD, you will remember that I was trading just a $14 account and I was using 0.02 and I will open 3 trades on $14 account. I will use 0.02, I will open 3 trades, and that is because I made it clear to the people that were watching our live stream that very day that, guys, so we are scalping with so amount. That means in any small mistake, it can get blown, and if the market goes well, we can make good profit from the market. And you also what happened? We make good profit from the market. Even before TikTok ended the live stream, maybe TikTok ended they take light, and due to my generator was not serving, so I just have to end the live stream immediately. But before then, we were already at $50 something now for people where we did the live stream. Understand? So this morning, I want us to do multiple things. Understand? We can also do scalping and we can also trade a major account right from one screen here. So I want to see the people that are active, then we know what we are going to do. Guys, let's double tap on our screen, please. Lady Winnie, you are welcome. Guys, if you are joining us, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen and share the live. Guys, if you are trading a live account, let's see you in the comment section. If you are trading a live account, please drop an image. We have 37 amazing people on YouTube right now. The people on YouTube, I came to the office last something. You were not in the office. Where now? Now, Mama Data, please send me message on WhatsApp. Let me see now. I'll be the office on Monday, Shebi. Yes. Last week Monday now. Yes. Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. One man. That mama call. Mama, you call meet anybody for office? Okay, what will happen now? The people in Nigeria, let's do naira something. Let's do small naira. Maybe we just do small thing for scalping. For scalping. I don't think I have a naira account here. So there's something I wanted us to talk about before all of this one, and that is if you want to scalp, I want you to understand what scalping is all about and how to scalp successfully with a very, very small amount. And we are not just going to be talking about it, we are going to be doing it live here now. So the people on TikTok, you can please always double tap on your screen so that we can stay long on TikTok. Then the people on YouTube, just pay close attention to what we are going to be doing now. This is MT5. Oh, this MT5 has a trading bot installed. Let's not do. Okay, let me just create another MT5 account and use that one. Good morning. Okay, you come with your laptop. You tell me now.
Incoming mail.
Okay, this is a fresh account, a Naira account. Guess how much the Naira be? See, I'm here. This is 17,000 Naira. 17,000 Naira. No, this one not be. This one MT5. This is MT5. Yeah. Now me put that. I'm trying to work. I'm currently working on a robot, on a scalpel robot. So this one is just a software. Yeah. So now I have an account that I will be trading here, but I want to scalp with 17,000 Naira in Naira. Let's see. As a Nigeria worker working in Nigeria that is being paid with Naira, let's see how much Naira we can make with 17,000 Naira as a day trader. It's very going to be very simple. Now, we actually did this analysis yesterday night. Technically, the market was actually pointed towards what the market is doing now, which is the buy, technically. And also fundamentally, we have every reason to continue buying gold because gold has been bullish for a while. But if you know, according to the happenings in United States, Iran, and Israel in the last few days, it's currently affecting the market. It will always affect the market. So those information, those are what is called fundamental analysis. That's where they happen. So now with the fundamentals. So if you understand how wars they affect economy, if you understand how wars they affect the chart, the better for you. So now you see that's not where we talk. So when the market even open, it open with gap.
Yeah, sorry, gap.
It gave us a gap, and that gap now gap where we say now Sunday market with this or yesterday night. Now here for open. If you check another time frame now, you feel if you check another broker, you feel see the gap where it big where you understand. So after the gap, you just pull back to test that region, then you continue the buy. You don't already break above here this morning. Then me, I know they trade for night, you understand. I don't trade at night, no matter how good the market seems to look. So as far as the market already break above this resistance right here, it come here, now pull back, it come do. So now make they take buy here. Because we already take the buy before you come. But I just wanted to know why we take the buy. Though we are still going to do a recap of all of the analysis that we did yesterday and also the one we do now where I won't cut a scalp. So now the 70,000 Naira, now scalp I want user doing is not a day trading account. I've taken a buy trade on a day trading account, and that one, this is my TP. But on this 70,000 Naira, you can see me buying and you can also see me selling right now. And you are going to be seeing everything on my screen. That is why it's connected to this particular laptop right here. So let's see how far we can go. So for the people watching us from YouTube, you are welcome. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to click on the subscription button and also click on the bell beside the subscribe button. So whenever we go live, you will always be notified to join us. And the people on TikTok, please let's double tap on our screen. My people for TikTok, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's double tap on our screen. Somebody commented something on YouTube right now. It said, I am cooked because of this particular buy analysis. Now, the person might be selling, which if the person is selling, not a bad idea to me, but you cannot say because I am buying that I am cooked, because number one, you might not be a price action trader like I am, and I don't know your own personal strategy. So me, for the sake of the people watching this live right now, I'm a price action trader, and whatever decision you see me making are just for educational purpose, and I am analyzing the market strictly using the price action strategy and also as a market structure analyst. So pay close attention to every single thing that we'll be doing, and please be careful. It's just for educational purpose. No go do pass yourself, because gold free turn you to useless person in a few seconds. So now this particular 17,000 naira account, just like we did on Saturday, I said anything can actually happen. So it's either this 70K now give me at least, make I use that collect 100K, make I know say okay, I use that same small thing today Monday, or make it blow. Anywhere when you want to, let's see how it will take one. I've executed a trade. I executed 2 trades on gold right now on the 70K, which is 0.01, 0.01, and I put 2. You go enter now. That is what should be now. Why we dey here? So I just executed 2 trades from that particular region where the market is now. Now let's explain the difference between scalping the market and trading as a day trader. Sir, if you are scalping this market, now different thing entirely with if you are day trading the market. The other day, I think it was the last time when you come office, I try my best to explain. How much did that account now?
I don't take any people. 25.
And now, leave on, get money then. Now be this now, take the guy now, you dey share am.
Yeah, you look for that.
You know say, at this market, dey volatile now. Do your stop loss. You no go fit just dey do like that. You go fit finish you before you realize.
I don't play that. Only stop for playing. Yeah, super.
Na 2 stop loss na for the 2, na 2 trade a day. Shebi?
Yeah.
Now, I'm trying to explain what we are doing currently, which is scalping, the scalping that I'm doing now. Sir, scalping is not day trading, and day trading is not scalping, but you cannot scalp without being a day trader. Now, why I really want us to understand this word scalping and how we are going to be using it now today or through this week is, if you are scalping the forex market, you can take a buy trade as a scalper, and you are currently seeing profit of, let's say, plus $20 now. You know, say scalping, we go down open multiple trade, maybe like 4 or 5 trades, because not be one trade we take dey do scalping. So a scalper, no close now. You don't reach your place. They don't close my own too. let's explain this thing before we go. Wait first. Now, I want us to understand something. How are we going to make money as while scalping the market now? See, any available profit, we learn to take it because we are not just going to depend on let the market come and eat our take profit. Because majority of the time, while scalping, we are not going to rely or settle down on the higher time frame. Now, as we enter am now from that 1 hour before, we fit come settle down for 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, using the immediate structures in taking profit and in re-entry the trade. For instance, anybody who is a trader knows that this market is currently doing a pullback, and after the pullback, it's supposed to continue the buy. So now, once it continue that buy, there are structures here already. This is 1 hour time frame. You see this place where we get this pin bar, this red pin bar, this green pin bar. By the time you go to your lower time frame now, there we already give you a support, a resistance zone. So even if you take a buy here as a scalper, by the time the market don't reach here, you can take your profit. Because you know the market doesn't really actually move straight at once. You understand? You'll go up, you'll come down, just the same way they do now. Go up, come down, go up, come down. So we as scalpers, we are going to be taking available profit from every given opportunity, and we go do them, and we go do them well by the special grace of God. So let's do it again. On Friday, on Saturday, we did the same thing on TikTok Live. We did the same thing with $14. 14.
You have send me.
You know, join the class yesterday night now. Our Telegram class always start by 9 p.m. Though we start by 9:15 yesterday night. And it's always Saturdays and Sundays.
Because the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi.
The password. You write that for them. It's supposed to connect automatically now. Okay, you've not connected your laptop before.
Oh, you cannot have it. You cannot tell them, right? Did it happen? Did it happen? Is it? Did it happen?
$70,000 around $11, 11 point something dollars. Now again.
No buying.
Me, I will be entering from that bottom. Just that account of that 70,000 I can't remember 1,000. So I won't put money there now, make I fit buy am now. So don't buy am sef. Okay, this is what I am doing. Now pure scalping now I dey do am so. I don't feel as in raw straight trend, I don't feel seller come down. So now I come see we enter another buy from there. Again na scalping now I dey do o. I'll quickly use that recover that money. So now let me now explain why you see me using small stop loss during scalping like this. Sir, gold is a very volatile pair. You see, you have $200 in your account. You think that it is enough to trade gold. It is not actually enough, especially now, because the price of gold as of last night or again don't increase. Before the market closed last week, the price of gold was around, before the market opened yesterday night, before now, the price of gold was 5,281. Now, the moment the market opened, it first jump, it goes start from 5,318. Then it just got start to the buy. So as at now, the market dey 5,388. So the price of gold don high well. So no expect say the volatility of gold say na so e go be, no be so e go still be. E go over open. You understand? So any small mistake can actually ruin your entire big account, even if na 1K. So the best thing wey we go dey do as far as scalping was to take the trade, put your stop loss using the 1 minute time frame, put it at any below structure at all. Now say it doesn't really matter so long na scalping we dey do now. Now, if you want to day trade, this is the day trading part. If you want to use that your account to day trade, I don't want to join this our scalping. If you enter buy for where any market dey now, you are okay, and put the stop loss, let it be wide. We let it be wide and target a very big major resistance zone. Now the market fit play around here, play around, because based on saying scalping, let me open my history. You see, I did some sell now. Well, give me about 5K. Where my history here. So now, based on saying scalping, you fit see me dey sell, and you fit still see me buy. The profit when I close and I believe you see na sell trade. say. But I don't do another buy. Now, if this market break below, I go still sell. And as they go, as I dey take my profit, as they give me opportunity, I go dey enter and they go ahead. Just to raise that my money go up. And which I will just do with that. So as far as in our scalp you they do, always make sure you use your stop loss and use it, let it be very, very tight. No give way. Even the reason why I would do that short time sell now was, let me explain. Then why I do that sell wey give me that profit before I can't come out again. What I do the sell be say I open my lower time frame. I see am say, let me show you from here.
You're not breaking some.
No, see, as I open my, this is 1 minute time frame. I observe say this one na a golfy candle, which is normal. Now they carry market go up. Now I make a buy the first buy like this now. But as far as you don't approach resistance zone like this, suppose come down, test this region before you continue the buy again. So from here now I just take the sell. So I think I finish I come out. Now when you don't reach here, me I don't take buy from here, which you see now. But now this information now they follow now. So this is called bullish engulfing.
Yes, you.
Do you know it?
Yeah.
If you see am from another chart, you go know am.
No.
That is a bullish engulfing, it takes price up. So if it form for up, we call it bearish engulfing, it takes price down. So after every engulfing, there is something we also need to look out for, which is the engulfing candle confirmation. After the market form every engulfing candle, be it bullish or bearish, the market always have a way of doing at least 50% retracement of that same engulfing before the continuation of the direction when it point towards. For instance, on that 1 minute time frame, I want to remove this thing so that the chart will be clear. Maybe for understand what I want to explain. For instance, on this time frame, on this 1 minute time frame, we have a clear bullish engulfing candlestick right here. The market always have a way of doing pullback towards that engulfing candle, testing the engulfing, which is this body of this candle, before the continuation of the buy. Yes. No, the market is volatile. You know, because my naira dey trade. Who dey listen?
Your Wi-Fi setting.
Mm.
If you have got errors on like people should not connect. It's not possible. You have tried my phone, my phone is not working.
You know, you connected the phone the last time now,
No, I mean to my laptop.
but the Wi-Fi never connected to the laptop. Why?
I don't find your
Let me see it here.
I need to use the one cable. So,
What is your first show before?
even this one should become this one common and off. I'm that happy.
Yeah, it can't be like that now. But now, if you connect your phone, then use your phone hotspot to connect am, e no go work. Like, e go fit work like that now. When you do am like that, since your phone dey there and your phone dey connect. Na you never re-enter am na shebi?
You're connected to my phone.
Mm,
This one. Can I use hotspot?
okay. E no go work? E work, e go work. Now I dey talk. So if you connect your phone to the network, you come use your phone hotspot connect to that one.
When can you see this thing through?
Na support e still dey, so na you fit still from there enter am. If you enter am from that support, e still dey very very okay. Your support will just be below this those thing back here.
Let me show you what
Open your this is even 15 minutes. On 15 minutes side frame, there na very good support there.
let me show you.
Where the market still dey penetrate.
The latest sometime my friend let me to pay.
Mm.
Let me to put the latest in the so when I put another indicator, I show you the current level. 5 minutes change there. 15 minutes change there.
This is GBP USD. GBP JPY.
So this is the same. You can use that thing to use mistake. I don't take it better.
This thing don give you opportunity well well o. How many buys you take all those buys when e don give you since?
I don't take am for my.
Chai,
I see now.
who code this indicator?
One guy.
The India.
That guy.
I like that coding. You sabi that thing. You like I like that work when you do. If you do robot,
This guy, I say, they go on internet. Everybody. About this thing that time when you first do am, when they beta testing. When I take me glasses down, when the glasses start, I look am. I no come study. The guy tell me say na like this dem dey do am. Study how coded it, how you are going to train it. Then now show me other blocks, then greater blocks, that one no dey say. Once you catch am for that greater block from one side, you must come back to the other side. Na wetin so I dey do am. Like this set of that block, you must come back. They allow you the momentum something. Now the momentum is showing you like going up. You see this thing, let me show you something. Now I did something. This when I put it on it, it's showing you just green. Like remove it now. See the red. Yeah, this is the thing. Showing me that just be green, just green.
there's momentum on gold. They go buy well now. No be wetin dey dey play. He go buy. Now we dey too. Wetin dey take dey joke. This can be our first test. Dey go 6K, go buy. Maybe now we are currently working on a trading bot that though is a scalping trading bot. Basically, was meant for scalpers. So you see me try do one or two test run.
Okay, very good. This is very good. Very good.
You don't take the buy.
Don't pick on. Don't pick on. Ah, so I don't want to add now. I want that something. Yeah, I prefer to swim. Yeah, I do that. Okay. Okay.
When you have this indicator that is showing you long-term buy on gold, that everything is still green, you can always use it to swing. It's going to be very, very good to swing trade. But if you want to swing trade, you definitely, I believe, say you know, say you're supposed to get money.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to.
They know they use they know they use $100 to swing trade, though. And you can use $100 to swing trade currency pair, not on gold, though. Because gold, small pullback when they go do, maybe you decide to do daily pullback for the whole day. When the market do pullback, if he catch you for that kind of trade, he go squeeze the account, he go turn out to rubbish, he go come now before encore. This market now buy with me, I want to buy this market all through this week. You go see the result of this buy when we cancel.
Because I'm using that just like a guide. Not like after analyzing you understand? I'm using that a guide. Maybe I'm seeing red candle. But that you always fear.
So the red candle, so that is why you now need to understand candlesticks information to know if the red candle is strong enough to take price down.
See now, someone showed me this one.
Bullish.
That's how the trade to take. Allow what to organize this thing. Second one, you show me okay, thing is going up, but I think they attach it to each map. To be
to map. Yes, all those things now, now be the code, now be the work now.
Yeah, but they show me where you go, no stop. When this thing want to change, usually goes to let me show you. Usually goes to range, consolidation. And now when that consolidation don't show, after that consolidation candle, what part the next candle will show, now I go.
What are those things that they confuse Shao? Sometimes I look them like confusion.
That part that used to say decision area. They only show yellow, then I'll see out of any trade
in the market.
I don't even break any, I don't even touch it. I leave it. That told the one that's when he said, look, don't be afraid of taking trades. If you see the pattern,
don't be afraid of taking trade.
That's what you said.
Cannot be afraid. Anyway, you see, why people are afraid is the money that they are trading. Number one, you might be trading with the capital where they say, you know, as you see this capital, and this capital, so it get dear to you somehow because you know, say you're supposed to fill one or two gap, like pay the rent or one or two expenses for your house for you understand? So that kind of money, you know, go easily just use free mind do am. That is why I prefer my scalping skills. See, sir, whenever I'm scalping, I give it up to the market. I make money with scalping. Like for me, I make money with scalping a lot, and I blow scalping money a lot also. Should be that's a K. As I just put on a boom.
I just do 1-to-1.
You know, you come out, Mabe. Yeah? You come out.
No, never see where you see big profit. The thing is telling me see momentum up.
You go up
now. I look your analysis. I say, I put it, I do it up like that.
So as you are, if this indicator is giving you such strong information, let the trade be your day trade. Yeah. You don't understand what I mean? Yeah. If I come here, so now two types of trade now they take. I take trade with the money that will either earn the losses or earn the profit. Then I take trade that will be used to do normal, just the one that you are seeing on my screen now.
Now put this trade up here. And I thought about it. And when this is for okay, because I know it will drop up. But it take my profit. Yeah. But
You were in the
it's
trade on Friday.
It's Friday. No, I started from here. I was just looking at, I was analyzing. And I was following the something. So when I put it on, I realized that from here, told me like to go up, and consolidated there, you see. And from here now it broke out again. See this dot. See this dot. Because I know this is a sell, this is a buy. So it gave me my settings said, okay, swing. So when I think my setting as swing. So you see here, this is like structure. So when it came in, I knew it sell. I should just sell until I see another.
It's just moving sideways. It's not either breaking resistance or breaking support. So
when I put on this, that's the only yellow that will show that it is ranging market. I stay out of the market, it is ranging. Don't buy, don't sell.
yes, you wait for a breakout. Now, in a ranging market, let me quickly show you how we treat ranging market here. See, in the forex market, we only have two kind of trade, two kind of trend, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. Now, if we are talking about the downtrend, it means that market they do something like this. Market will sell, break support, pull back to the support, continue, break support, pull back to the previous support, continue, break this support. This is a clear example of a downtrend, meaning sellers are in charge. Now, if we say the market is uptrend, that means we have to be saying something like it will buy, it will pull back, you continue the buy, break resistance zone to form a new resistance, continue the buy, pull back to the previous resistance, continue break here. Now, so long price keep doing this market structure, this is a clear confirmation of a bullish trend, which is uptrend. Now, if you call C, say test this same resistance, fails to break above, then you call the move sideways like this. So as far as the market now, you know they break resistance here, and you know they break support here. We call it ranging market. We call it consolidating market, meaning price is moving sideways. So what should we do as day traders? So for something like this, it is always important to draw your price and you draw your box and put the price inside the box. Then you will now be waiting for a breakout, which is number one. It either market breaks above, there was a retest, you take the buy, or market should break below, retest and take the sell. Now, what does this consolidation really mean? Because see, market can break above, come back inside and continue sell. Because in the forex we have something called a false breakout and false break back in. So sometimes we need to always understand this particular thing waiting in me in real time. When market they consolidate, it means say buyers are not in charge, sellers are not in charge. They drag price. At a time, sellers will later prevail. If sellers prevail, now there you go now see the market break out below, meaning sellers later prevail with the price. This thing. There was a retest, we continue. If now buyers prevail, we will see price break above. There was a retest, it continue the buy. Now, anytime you see in a ranging market, then all of a sudden, buyers prevail, the market break above. Then another candle come back again, claiming maybe the candle will do as he say you want go retest. Then it can go close inside that same box. That kind of market, you know, they buy am. It is considered to be a false breakout. Now I put here because for market where they say they don't trap the price for some hours or for some days. If buyers were that strong, if buyers were strong enough to be able to break out, you know, suppose come back inside there easily. Suppose that strength continue the buy. You understand? So for buyers, for the market to show that it break out, giving you false information of buyers were in charge, the sellers start carrying the market back inside. Means sellers are stronger than buyers. That was the reason why they were able to push the price back inside that consolidation zone. So in all of this, there is something called false breakout and false breakback. I just want us to be aware, and we will also the user they trade the market also. What the market do?
Even from them. I don't know why I just got scared of this thing.
No need to dey fear, sir.
I don't think
Sir, losses is just there's that time will not come. The time that you will think that there are some setup that you will take, you can never see losses. That setup will never come. Like not that it will not come. There are days that we just take trade here straight to my TP.
it's Friday, 5:10 p.m.
Mm.
My name is Look at this and test them. I said, yeah, don't touch it. The price was 5,176. Now today, you have entered that day. Now today is 5,396.
Just imagine. You understand?
I will take on just give up my life.
It is always important to know what you are doing and also know why you are doing what you are doing. But the major important part of this market be say trade with your money, trade with something where they say if e come eventually happen, that thing wey you dey fear. Always put am say if e come eventually happen, wetin go fit survive. If e be say you go fit survive, take am. You no get as you go be rich.
Yeah.
Another thing no dey happen. Nobody go put something for your head say, oh yeah, this thing. Me, I dey take trade o. You no get as you dey.
You ICT now, ICT is different from SL.
Yes, but I don't do ICT.
I'm sorry,
I'm a price action trader.
that's
Mm. It's different.
it's different.
Mm.
I'll tell you can hold that thing.
I will be very happy. Oh. Price action.
I'll tell you about it. But I told you to do on sale at the time. Very.
How much you pay?
Like you are doing 500, 1,000. You know this kind of people now, who can start people everywhere.
I know.
And they be good coders. Brokers will call them to do this. If they get their time prayer. Now tell them. They won't do video. How
You take install am?
so yeah. Last year was go there. Then the second one is step channel momentum trend. How to start that? Oh, that's this is the momentum. When it's on ranging, then it's ranging. You are now with. The price want to go down up, the thing to. I think he uses those candles. Those candles, the candle. I like golfing one, yeah.
Mm.
It shows, I think it shows the bike one. Fix it up, take it away, and change it. Then what it does is like during the higher time frame, the first one grab and things like that. You can change it here, you can do your own setting, like your own
Analysis.
yeah, in the setting. The setting and the board will show you power is doing bullish at the minimum, the big trade is doing bullish at the minimum, the 1 hour is doing bearish at the minimum, every other one is doing bullish.
Na be the fundamentals wey we dey do now. Wetin he do so? He code the fundament. Na API na. I carry the API of that chart of the sentiment, put am for your screen, so you go dey see am direct. No need to go dey. Let me put it on my screen.
You don't need to be doing those.
You no need to dey see. If I come here now, for instance, let me show you something. I come here, open my Facebook, then that heat map wey dey show for here so for your laptop now. So me we dey use am, we dey always dey use am dey follow, just that you now your own is there on the same page and e dey refresh by himself. So as I dey trade gold now, see those things na dey show so, because red na be sell, green na buy, understand? So you go dey see am here, xauusd, which is gold, 1 minute now is selling, 5 minutes is currently on buy, 15 minutes buy, 30 minutes buy, 1 hour buy. Then the daily 4 hours sell, daily buy, weekly buy, monthly buy. So if we can go check the forex sentiment, the forex sentiment, if you put your cursor on xauusd on forex sentiment, let's see what we have. You will see that as at today, as at now, we have 61% of buyers and 39% of sellers. Anybody wey fair good, they say good now. The person I sabi o. Anybody wey fair good, they say good now. That the person I sabi o. Me as a the buyer like this, now just make it just they go. I know say market no they go straight. You understand? And based on say the market dey volatile, if you enter buy, make you first do the small sell, which is normal pullback. So if your capital no dey okay, go fit blow your account before you go that direction wey you initially analyze. Me now I'm telling you, if you leave that trade, you are going to close it in massive profit. I tell you.
But I just noticed something I said, let me put this. The one we have now, the resistance and the support. When you got there, you only did that what kind of that? Is it one like the
this one?
No, the red one.
This particular red candle now?
No.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah. When you did that one, then the green thing.
And this one, so you know, go feel call and name like that. See what happen. Anyway, there might be a name for it on another strategy. Price action, this is what just happened here. If I'm doing my analysis, here was the resistance, or here was the structure. Price break above the structure, a resistance, to form another resistance. Technically, the market ought to pull back to that same structure that was broken. Gather momentum there and continue the buy to break this resistance and form a new resistance. So when the market reach here, the first time when it reached here, they rejected it. Then, but it was not able to buy. Then it come there again. It said it tried sell, they reject them again. Why? Because here there is something, there's an information here, very strong information, and that information is supposed to take price up according to market structure. You understand? So any candlestick.
Sorry. See what I'm saying?
What is that?
See the green thing again.
I just know me. I no go use that indicator to follow you. I don't use that indicator now. That one are your tools. You are the owner of indicator. Use your indicator now.
No, I'm using to follow your pattern.
So for now, me I see the same now. Should be no the profit still they run better profit now they run. I get better profit now. You know no.
$21. See?
I get better profit now. You know no. Yeah, that's right. We took the buy before. The market take us out by selling. But the sell, do you think the sell was valid? The sell was not a valid sell. It was just a clear out. And we, because me are the scalp now, so my stop loss, I no put my stop loss to be large because of the account, the amount that I was trading. So he have to take it out first. And after I take him out, as I see opportunity again, when it go down more, I enter out from the bottom. I know they fear gold though. And today gold don't start to give me headache. Give me losses. The one when I not plan for, the one when I plan for.
We go from the account. Are you big dollars? It's 1 to 1 or 3. My part is back. Money I lose.
A profit you want me for it. Profit.
I need to put together. We get class on Telegram.
Yes, on Telegram video call. But have you joined the platform?
Yeah.
You don't join. You did the Telegram now. You did the group. Yeah. Because I was supposed to do a live trading session there today. That was why I came with my microphone.
If you go also go and form another high.
Gold will form another higher high due to the recent